Hello students, welcome to AMSA Education. So today we are going to discuss about the mass and the weight of an object. Okay, so the related numericals, weight and the weight of an object on moon and earth. How the weight of an object varies in moon and also in earth. So there is a relation. Okay, so write this formula, that is weight equal to W. Weight is denoted as W. W equal to m into g. W equal to m into g, and its unit is Newton because weight is a force. Weight is a force. Okay, mass is the basic fundamental property of a matter. Okay, so weight is a force. What is which type of force? That is force of gravity. Force of gravity. Is it clear? So then what is the relation between weight on moon and weight on earth? That is 1/6. Very important formula. 1/6. 1/6. So if I have to calculate the weight on moon, then it will be 1/6 times weight on earth. If I calculate weight of earth, then it is 6 times the weight of moon. So these are the formula used to find the weight of an object in moon and earth. Okay, so this is your first question. If the mass of an object is 10 kg, so we have given mass of an object is 10 kg. So in earth, in this mass is on the earth surface, the mass is 10 kg. So if mass is 10 kg, so what will be the weight? That is mass into acceleration due to gravity. So that is 10 kg multiplied by g. What is the value of g? That is 9.8 meter per second square. So that is 98 Newton. 98 Newton. So that is the WE, weight on earth. Weight on earth. Similarly, I can find the weight of object on moon. So I know the formula, that is Wm by We is equal to 1/6. So finally I have W equal to 98 Newton. So Wm equal to 1/6 We, that is 1/6 9 into 98. So it can be cancelled out, that is 49/3, that is 16.6. 16.6. Okay, this Newton. So this is the weight of moon, the weight of the, not weight of the moon, the weight of an object on the moon surface, that is denoted as Wm, and that is We. এটা হচ্ছে earth র weight. That means ଗୋଟେ object, যদি object ର mass earth ରେ যদি 10 kg, let ତମ mass ହଉଛି 50 kg. Okay, so let us find the another question by changing the data. So note it down. Okay, so move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2. So weight of an object is equal to mass multiplied by acceleration due to gravity, and Wm by W equal to 1/6. So question number 2. So question number 2 is, if the weight of an object on the moon is 72 Newton. If the weight of an object on the moon is 72 Newton, then find the mass of an object in earth. Mass of an object in earth. Okay, so देखो को वैल्यू गिवन अछि, सब बेले गिवन ना वैल्यू लिखिबो. कोन गिवन अछि? फर्स्ट कोन गिवन अछि? तो फर्स्ट गिवन अछि force equal to 72 Newton. Which force? That is the weight. That is the weight. W equal to 72 Newton. W equal to 72 Newton. But W in moon surface रे केते अछि? 72 Newton. जदि moon रे 72 Newton हैला, then earth रे केते होबो? केते ही परिवार थे W equal to, we have formula I repeat, I recall, WE by WM equal to 1 by 6. So WE equal to 6 into WM. 6 into WM. So 6 into multiplied by 72. WM equal to 72 Newton. So that is 432 Newton. So weight on earth is 432 Newton. And what is the value of G? That is 9.8 meter per second square. Acceleration due to gravity. So WE equal to M into G on the earth. Okay. So what is the value of G on earth? That is the value 9.8. In previous video we will discuss about the acceleration due to gravity, that is G equal to 9.8 on the surface of earth. So G equal to 9.8. So mass equal to WE upon GE. So that is 432 Newton. 432 divided by 9.8. So that is 432 divided by 98 into 1 by 10. So by calculate 49 to 16. Okay. So एटा को केमती आमे डिवाइड करबा केते आसीबो एटा 49 okay, divide it, simply divide it, again find out 49. okay, 49 3 I think 3 आसीबो 7 2 14 4 नबा 3 1 so 196 आसीबो 4 आसीबो. okay, so 4 आसला एटी तो केते आसला 4 आसले केते आसला 196. सो केते हो एटा 20. एटा केते आसला 20. देन पुट द डेसिमल पुट कर केते आसीबो 200. अगेन केते आसीबो 4. सो वैल्यू आसी गेला केते 4.4 by 10. सो केते हे जिवो 0.44 kg. kg SI unit. Always remember the SI unit. So mass of the object is 0.4 kg on the surface of the earth. Okay. So then move to the next question, that is question number 3. Just high level question अछि. Okay. So next question number 3 on the screen. If the weight of an object is 2 into 10 to the power 6 Newton on earth, then find the mass of the object. So simple, very simple question. So basic formula है कहते W equal to M into G. So M रा value कहते W by G. Simple, G multiply G. Side change करो W by G. So mass direct formula put करिबो W by G. So we have W equal to 2 into 10 to the power 6 Newton. Okay. G equal to given. You have to take 10 here. If you take 9.8, then the answer will be wrong. Okay, because you have given that G must be here. G equal to, take G equal to 10 meter per second square. So 10 meter per second square. So simply divide 2 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 10. Okay, so mass अछि माने केते आसीबो यूनिट. ऐसा यूनिट कोन kg. So 10 ले power 1 अछि तो केते आसीबो 2 into 10 to the power 5 kg. So mass will be 2 into 10 to the power 5 kg. Okay. Okay, so these are the various types of numericals based on the mass and weight of an object. Okay, if there is a difficult question, if there is any difficult question in your reference book, then ask me in your comment box. Okay, I will solve the question immediately. Thank you for watching.